Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am selling some milk protein, papaya gel, zone, and new light. And this is also the milk protein serum. So if you want to order, you can just DM me or just leave a comment, or you can go on my Instagram at Samantha Jamaican Skincare. As you can see, this is the milk protein that I have, brightening gel. A lot of people have been asking me about this product. Very nice product, and I'm telling you, if you use this in your mixture, listen, there's not a doubt that you're not going to look good. So this one now is very strong. Right. So this is a new light. This is the papaya, right? So nice. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And even if you don't want the product, just share the video. Guys, look at this. Lovely. So remember, you can also watch my other videos